It's dry off, no milking, no waking up early in the morning. That's Adivina inside the car. Yeah, that's my husband at the back, feeding out the hay with the tractor. And that's our cows. Only few left here in the farm. Transition time. It's snowing and it's dry off today. It's the last day of milking or the end of lactation period. So the cow will going to rest for at least 60 days without milking. As usual, we're going to start milking the cows early in the morning around 5 o'clock. And then this is the last day of milking, so this is as important as before. We need to milk the cows properly in preparation to dry off. The weather is not good this week. It's rainy and windy, shitty days, so we need to dry off the cows because we can sacrifice the health condition of the cows over the production of milk. As you can see, the milk just go in the drain. We're not keeping them this time because we're treating the cows. They're going to have antibiotic treatment and internal teeth sealant. So we're not going to sell our milk, and this milk will just go in the drain. It's just wasting milk today, but it's alright. We almost hit our milk target, which is 400 kilograms of milk solid per cow. Snowing and it's very cold. And as you can see in the mountains, it's snowing as well. It's settled there. My 12-year-old daughter will going to help us in the farm. She wants to help us, especially today that they don't have class. So it's good to have someone to help. So let's rock and roll, Auntie and Daddy. Let's start the busy day. We're putting up the fence, having the break for the cows and doing the cows in after. So let's bring all the cows to the fodder pit. This is the transition period, so we're going to introduce fodder pit to our dry cows. So this time we're going to cows in. Get the cows in the paddock. Bring it out. If we're going to do the cows in, we're going to push the cows from the back going to the front and into the rain. Oh no! Heavy rain and strong winds today. Reality of dairy farming. Let's hide in the farm car for a bit. Oh, it's raining outside, so let's stay inside the car and keep warm. Oh no. Lucky Ate Wina's going to help us today. Cold. Session time mga kabaka. they're going to start eating fodder bit today. So transition time is the time that we're introducing fodder bit into our cow's diet. So in the start, we're just giving them 2 kilograms dry matter of fodder bit per cow per day. And then every other day, we're going to increase it by adding 1 kilogram dry matter of fodder bit per cow per day until they will reach to 10 kilograms dry matter of fodder bit per cow per day. And then we're going to add 2 kilograms dry matter of hay per cow per day, a total of 12 kilograms. Feeding management during transition is very important because this may result to acidosis due to bloating if we can't manage this properly. So we're going to increase or decrease our food allocation due to the condition of our cows and their body weight, in the weather, and heaps of things to consider. Let's go, girls. Come on. As you can see, there's still heaps of bulbs or fodder bit left from their break, so they're going to eat that one again tomorrow morning. They're going back here, so it's alright. We will not going to give them additional break for tomorrow until they will be used in eating it. Well, let's go, Miss Driver.
Do I reverse or not? Do I reverse?
No, just go forward.
Okay.
In the brake, please. Go there.
Where are we going?
There, in the cows.
Oh, then I know where to go.
Can you please open your window? Hey, stop at it. Open your window. Because it's foggy here. Coba deh. That's our hay and our cows. Okay, let's go to Daddy. Let's go to Daddy. Let's help Daddy for a bit.
Shouldn't we close that? Can't see much.
Just stay inside kay Kon. Dara ka kay ulan. Rain or shine. That's the reality of life in dairy farming. That's the hay. It's alright. All good. hay is very important in transition or in dry off, because hay is very high in fiber that can make our cows feel full. So we're going to feed them every day. I hope you learned something from this video, guys, about dairy farming here in New Zealand. Hi. About dry off, about transition, about the fodder bit and the hay. Just comment and please subscribe to our little channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's the hay spreader.